be locked out. We're gonna have some explaining to do. Dude, is this thing like hydro? Or just a really shitty traction?
Oh, there's another floor.
It's hella slow. Oh boy. God damn, this thing is tiny.
An SG Dianti. Oh shit.
You bring them down here, I'll wait for you, okay?
Okay, just wait outside.
What now? Nothing. No, that's just the rate mirror.
This thing is so small. And slow.
Hey, at least it's not monitor.
It's PTO, which is like equally as boring.
Piddle. Oh, it used to be a traction.
It is a traction.
No, it ain't.
Yes, it is.
I literally heard a hydro motor in the ladder. Or maybe I'm tripping, I don't know. That's a hydro.
No.
Right. Oh, you're right.
Alright, guys, we gotta switch spots.
Okay.
Whoa!
Oh my god.
Don't touch me there.
Oh, that's it. I'm not ringing the alarm here because then they're gonna be like, yes.
What's that noise? I like that noise. That's really comforting.